So, this is the sunrise. It's like white in the middle and then yellow on the outsides. Interesting. From what I see and what the camera is picking up is completely different. Like I could actually see the sun and the outline of where it's shining. It's crazy, if you squint, the sun looks like it has a frowny face, which probably means it's messing with my eyes. Everything's so overgrown, and that's an apple tree, and there's another one on that side. Look at that. And it's one crusty ass garage. And look at that fog, looks cool. Another apple tree, pear tree, apple tree, apple. That's where the fairies live. Wow, so even as I turn the sun down on my phone, it is just too creepy because the sun is right there. The sun is literally right there, and it's not there anymore. You could see the sun is supposed to be right there. But look, where the hell did it go? Now let's see, if I turn this up, can you see the sun? No, not really. That's weird. I think my phone has lost it. Dude, where the hell is the damn sun? I mean, you guys just saw, like, literally, it was right there. You could see where it's... Oop, there it is. That was just too weird. That was weird as hell. So hopefully this doesn't end up getting taken down, because I heard that YouTube is taking anything with the sunset off. So I don't know. You can see the orange ring around it now, which is cool. Yep, that is it for today, boys and gals. Peace out.